Princess Lila and the Hidden Kingdom. Brave Princess Lila's tale begins. She loved exploring the castle library, where she discovered ancient books filled with legends of hidden worlds. A map shimmered, falling onto her lap. The map glowed with golden lines, revealing a path to a secret land. Excited by the discovery, Princess Lila showed the map to her loyal companion Ollie, a wise and talkative owl. "An extraordinary clue," she whispered. With the map in hand and Ollie guiding her from the sky, Lila set off on an adventure beyond the castle walls. Following the glowing trails, they ventured through thick forests, across sparkling rivers, and over misty mountains. Finally, they arrived at an enormous, ivy-covered gate hidden deep within the heart of the land. Inscribed upon it were mysterious symbols. "This must be the entrance to the Hidden Kingdom," Ollie hooted. Lila studied the symbols, realizing they formed a riddle. Remembering a passage from one of her books, she spoke the ancient words, and the gates slowly creaked open. Inside, they found a breathtaking kingdom filled with floating islands, crystal waterfalls, and luminous creatures. But the kingdom was eerily silent. A golden statue in the center bore an inscription: "Only one with a courageous heart can awaken the kingdom's magic." Determined, Lila stepped forward and placed her hand on the statue. A bright light enveloped her, and suddenly the land came to life. Birds sang, rivers flowed, and the people of the kingdom, once frozen in time, awakened with joy. The grateful ruler of the Hidden Kingdom approached Lila. "You have broken the spell with your bravery and kind heart. This kingdom is now yours to protect," he said, placing a shimmering crown upon her head. With a heart full of joy, Lila and Ollie returned home, knowing they had uncovered a great secret and restored magic to a forgotten world. From that day on, Lila was known as the princess who unlocked the Hidden Kingdom, proving that courage and curiosity can reveal the most extraordinary wonders. The end.